Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. In previous classes, we learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in first unit. First unit, numeration and notation. From that unit, we learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next, in second unit, multiplication and division of fractional numbers. In fractional numbers also, we learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next unit, decimals. Yes? Am I right, children? Yes. In third unit, decimals also we learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How to write decimal form, how to write fractional form. We learned these topics. Okay? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These operations are called fundamental operations. Okay? These operations are called fundamental operations. In whole numbers, we did addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. These fundamental operations we did different numbers in different numbers. One time we did addition, one time we did subtraction, another time we did multiplication, and another time we did division. These operations are called basics operations, fundamental operations. But today's topic is in one expressions we did four fundamentals at a time. Four fundamentals at a time. That is called simplification of expressions. That is called simplification of expressions. Simplification of expressions. Today's topic is simplification of expressions, fourth unit. Okay? Fourth unit. Today I am going to explain fourth unit. Fourth unit, simplification of expressions. Take out the textbook, children. Take your textbook. All of you take your textbook and sit properly on your videos. Okay, look at the board. Simplification of expressions. When we are taking one expression, in that one we have to do four fundamental operations. How to solve that expression, how to solve that problem. Okay, now I am taking one example. Okay, what is that example? 9 plus 24 divided by 3. 9 plus 24 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. Okay, this is the one of the expression, one of the problem. Okay, how to do this problem, how to solve this problem. Okay, okay children, just today's topic is simplification of expressions, but fourth unit is simplification of expressions and rounding numbers. Okay, simplification of expressions and rounding numbers. But today I am taking only simplification of expressions. Okay, simplification of expressions. Now I am taking one expression. What is that expression? 9 plus 24 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. Here see children, here addition is there and division is there and multiplication is there and subtraction is there. Okay, in one expression here four fundamentals are there, four operations are there. Okay, here we have to do different methods. Okay, how to solve we don't know, just addition is there. Okay, now I am doing first method. Now I am like this doing. See children, here first look at the board and listen carefully. First 9 plus 24 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. Okay, this is the one of the expression. Now I am taking one method. How I am taking? Listen carefully first. First, 9 plus 24. 9 plus 24 how much? 9 plus 24. Yes, 33. 9 plus 24 is 33. 33 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. Next step. Next step. 33 divided by 3. 33 divided by 3. What is the quotient? 11. Very good. 11. 11 into 4 minus 2. 11 into 4. 11 fours are. Yes, very good. 44 minus 2. 44 minus 2. Very nice. 42. Good. Here I get what answer? I get here 42. Yes, this is the one of the method. Okay. Now Satvika have doubt. What doubt? Teacher, same this method only. Why you are following? I am following this like method. Now Satvika said, which method? 9 plus 24 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. Same problem, but that girl thought another method. Why she is thinking simply? First, I am doing here multiplication, teacher. First I want to do multiplication. So, Satvika, how I did? See children here. First, 9 plus 24 divided by 3 fours are. 3 fours are? 3 fours are? 12. 12 minus 2. 9 plus 24. First, next, 24 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 12 twos are 24. So, we get quotient is 2. 2 minus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. Here we get answer 9. See children, first I did here multiplication. 3 fours are 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So we get here answer 9. This method is Satvika's method. Okay, Satvika said this method. Okay, next. Vishnuvardhan have doubt. What? He is what saying? Teacher, why are you doing this method only? I want to do another method also. Which method? See once. He is thinking another way. What he is thinking? Once you listen. Same problem. 9 plus 24 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. First, teacher said what? First addition. Afterwards division. Afterwards multiplication. Afterwards subtraction. But Satvika's what said? First, I want to do multiplication. After division. After addition. And after subtraction. But now here Vishnuvardhan what saying? First I want to do division. Here. First I want to do division, next addition, next multiplication, after subtraction. First division. Division 24 divided by 3. Rashekha Reddy, stop the message. Listen children first. Listen carefully all of you. Okay. 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3. 9 plus 24 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. Yes. So quotient is 8. 8 into 4 minus 2. Next 9 plus 8 fours are 32. 32 minus 2. 32 minus 2. 32 minus. Akula Aditya, video is talking boy. Okay, I think you are mobile problem, Nana. I think you are mobile problem. Akshaya, listen carefully. Listen to me, Amma. Some are disturbing you. Okay. Here, next subtract. 32 minus 2. 32 minus 2. 30. Very good. 9 plus 30. We get what? Here, 39. Very nice. See children here. Here, teacher said 1 method. Here we get answer 42. But another girl, Satvika said another method. She got answer 9. Next, Vishnuvardhan said another method. Here, Vishnuvardhan got answer. Answer is 39. So, problem is one only. Yes, expression is one expression only. One problem only. But here, we did in different types, different ways. So, we are get answer, different answers. Yes, different answers we got. So, but we have to take any method also, we get one answer only in mathematics. Okay, so we have to take which method? One method is there in one expression. In one expression we have to do one method only. What one method? That is dips method. Dips. D-I-P-S. Dips method. Okay, you also saying one method. Okay, boy. Say here, Rayan saying one method. That is dips method only, boy. Another method also have. First we have to do subtraction after multiplication. So many methods are there. Okay, here we have to do so many methods are there. But correct method is dips method. Okay, that is dips. Dips means D means division. I means into. Into means multiplication. Next P. P means plus, addition. Next S means subtraction. S means subtraction. D. Division. Okay. Next I. Multiplication. Okay, I am moving. I am taking pick and I will send children. Listen first. Listen. Next, P. P means plus, addition. P means plus, addition. Next, S means subtraction. This means subtraction. In one expression, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, 4 fundamental operations are there. So, we have to do which method? Dips method. Dips. Kale Rakshaya. Once again, I am warning to you. Okay, dips method. Which method? Dips method. D means division. D means division. Next, I. I means into, multiplication. Okay. P. P means plus, addition. Next, S. S means subtraction. Okay, we follow to this method. Which method? This method. Now same problem. I am taking same problem, children. I am taking same this problem only. I apply to this method here. Okay. D. Division. Next, I. Multiplication. Into. Next, P. Addition. Plus. Next, yes. Subtraction. Okay. Same this method you follow here. Okay. First, division. We have to do first division. Nine plus 24 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. First, we want to do here. First, division. 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 equals, what is the quotient? Say children. 24 divided by 3. What is the quotient? Say fast. Yes, very good. 8. 9 plus 8 in division. In division place I written here 8 into 4 minus 2. How can we get here 8? 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. First, we have to do division. Next step is into multiplication. Do multiplication. 8 fours are. 8 fours are. Say I want answer. 8 fours are. Or 4 8s also. Yes. 4 8s are 32 or 8 fours also 32. Very good. Write 32. Multiply, write 32. 8 fours are 32. Minus 2. 8 fours are 32. Division completed and multiplication completed. Next we will go to next step is addition. Do the addition. 9 plus 32. 9 plus 32. What is the answer? Yes, very good. 41. Right. Write 41. 41 minus 2. How can we get 41? 9 plus 32. 9 plus 32. 9 plus 32 equal to 41. Okay. Next step is subtraction. Okay. Here 4 steps are there. First division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First division completed. 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. In division place we written 8. Next we will go to next step is multiplication. Multiplication is 8 fours are 32. In multiplication place we have to write 32. Next we will go to third step is addition. Addition 9 plus 32 equal to 41. 41 I written here. Next step is 41 minus 2. Next step, fourth step and last step is subtraction. 41 minus 2. What is the answer? 39. Yes. 41 minus 2 equal to 39. Okay. 9 plus 24 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2 equals 39. Okay, this is the answer. In one expression, four fundamentals are there: addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. Four fundamentals are there. In four fundamental, how can we solve this expression? How can we solve this problem? First, we have to do division, DIPS method. Division, after multiplication, after addition, after subtraction. These four fundamentals in one order, that is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This method is called DIPS method. Okay, did you understand, children? DIPS method. Okay, very good. Sana, Rayan, next Nirma, Srishant. Okay, very nice, children. Okay, try down. Next, I will explain one more problem also. Write down this one. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Simplify the following expressions. Simplify follow the expressions. Simplify the following expressions. First one. What is first one? 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 divided by 3 into 5. 18 minus 9 divided by 3 into 5. First, what we do, children? Say. First, what we do? Yes, very good. Division. What is the answer? 3. Very nice. 18 minus 9 divided by 3 into 5. First, we have to follow DIPS method. Yes, here we follow DIPS method. First, in DIPS method, division. So, first we have to do division. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3? 3. Quotient is 3. Answer is 3. 3 3s are 9. So, in this place, in division place, we have to write 3. 18 minus 3. How can we get 3? 9 divided by 3 is 3. That's why we have to write here 3 into 5. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. If you have any doubt here, how can we get 3? Here I written here 9 divided by 3 equals 3. That is confirmation. Okay. Next step is first division completed. Next step, yes, multiplication. Yes, do multiplication. 3 5s are 3 into 5. 3 5s are. Yes, very good. 15. Nice. 18 minus 15. 18 minus 15. Here 3 into 5 equal to 15. Okay. Next step is multiplication. Completed. Next step is addition. Yes. Next step is addition. But here addition is there or not? Once you check, children. Addition is there, Lemma? No. Very good. Here addition not there. So what we do? Next we will go to next subtraction. Yes. Subtraction. Do the subtraction. 18 minus 15. What is the answer? Yes, very good. 3. Very good. 18 minus 15 is 3. 3 is the answer. Here 18 minus 15 is 3. Okay. First step is division. Next step is multiplication. But next third step is addition only. But here in this problem addition not given. So no need to do addition. Next step is subtraction. In DIPS method, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction is there. So here only division, multiplication and subtraction is there. So we have to do those one only. But division, multiplication and subtraction. So here we get answer 3. 18 minus 9 divided by 3 into 5. Answer is 3. Okay. Is it clear, children? Did you understand DIPS method? Did you understand, children? Okay, I hope you understand. Very good, children. Next, in exercise 4.1, try to your own, children. Okay. You can do first problem, second problem, third problem, next fourth problem and fifth one also, sixth one also. Same as it is 6 problems, same in this method only. Remaining problems also in this method only have, but from 7th one, 8th one, fractional numbers. Next 9th one, 10th one, mixed fractional numbers. Next 11th one, 12th one, decimal numbers given. Okay. So first 1 to 6 problems. From 1 to 6 problems, first problem I explained here. Okay, next second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Try to your own, children. From that one, if you have any doubt, you call me, you ask me. In next class also I will explain. Okay. Stop the message, children. Why are messaging 3333? Stop the message. Okay. I hope you understand DIPS method. Okay. So complete 6 problems, children. Remaining 5 problems you complete. Next, fractional numbers and mixed fractional numbers and decimal numbers. Next class I will explain. In tomorrow class I will explain. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Already status also. Status.
completed status. Now your math class status, you know how 106 message, that means answer telling 106 answers is చెప్పారు. గ్రేట్ అని మొన్న నా ఇంగ్లీష్ పెట్టారు అని అంత తొందరగా క్యాచ్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ డే